Another day, another English lesson. Spend, waste a lot of time, plus gerund clause. Welcome, everybody. In English, we can talk about the time we use for different activities with the expressions spend a lot of time or waste a lot of time. These phrases are often followed by a gerund clause. Let's explore their meanings and how to use them. Spend a lot of time. We use spend a lot of time to describe doing activities that are useful, enjoyable, or necessary. It means the activity takes a lot of time, but it's usually useful or necessary. Examples: I spend a lot of time fixing my car. Fixing my car takes a long time, but it's important or necessary. She spends a lot of time cleaning the house. Cleaning the house takes much of her time, but it's a useful activity. Waste a lot of time. We use waste a lot of time to describe activities that take too much time and feel unproductive, unnecessary, or regrettable. Examples: I waste a lot of time daydreaming. Daydreaming takes too much time and it doesn't achieve anything. He wastes a lot of time playing computer games. Playing computer games takes a long time, but it's not a good use of his time. Here's how the structure works. Subject plus, spend, waste a lot of time, plus gerund clause. Spend a lot of time is for useful, important, or enjoyable activities. Waste a lot of time is for activities that don't seem useful or not worth the time. A gerund clause is a group of words that starts with a gerund. For example, I enjoy reading mystery novels. She's tired of cooking every day. Now, watch and complete the sentences with the correct form of spend or waste and the gerund form of the verb in parentheses. Two, she wastes a lot of time worrying about unimportant things. Three, we will spend a lot of time cleaning the house before the party starts. Four, he wastes a lot of time arguing unnecessarily with his coworkers about small issues. Five, he spent a lot of time practicing the piano when he was a teenager. Six, right now she's wasting a lot of time watching boring TV shows instead of doing her homework. Seven, they have spent a lot of time preparing for the science fair this month. 8. He wasted a lot of time waiting for buses that never arrived last year, so he bought a car this year. I hope you found this worldwide ELT English language teaching video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.